weather is finally nice enough. I can do a little more work on my 1970 Series 2A Land Rover. And I'm putting this bar, this handle, on the back of the inside door. And basically this is the old style handle. There's a new one that they make for the Defender, which has these, it's a piece of tubing. These are curved up and flattened, but I like this one. This is the old style one, the original to this car, which has a welded on flat piece with the mounting hole in it. So that's what I'm using. I'm going to just basically bolt it on. I have checker plate on the back of my door, so I just drilled some holes. I'm going to tap those holes right now and put this bar on. So I'll show you how the door looks. I mounted my first aid kit over here, and it was pretty simple. All I did was I got a strip of aluminum and just bent it in a vise. I put a couple of rivets in here and then drilled some holes. And then I've just got these little screws, which are they're sheet metal screws. And then the first aid kit fits right there. And then this is kind of like a parts box. So these little sides lock. And that gives some stability. And then this opens from the top, which is good. And here are the parts. Now they might fall out, but they'll stay in there pretty much while driving. I'm just going to put the bar on here. I've got the holes drilled. I'm just spraying a little WD-40 on this. And that helps it go into the hole and tap it out better. I'm just going to tap this hole. When you feel resistance, and you back it off a little, and you can that looks like it worked. And I'll come back shortly and show you how the bar looks once it's on the back of the inside of the door. Well, here's the finished door, and you can see, and I think that's it.